Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're going to design a talking robot for the home. Take out your notebook and please write this title and the 4 questions. Today I am going to work with you together, okay? Okay, what will be its name? So I am going to write my example and you write your own ideas in your note. In my case, my robot will be named Wally. It's nothing original, but you have to think of something creative, right? What chores will it do? Remember, chores are things we do at home. Things we do that are necessary at home. And this is a talking robot that is going to be helpful and useful for your home. I think mine will fold my clothes. That is a chore. Or you can say, well, my robot will clean the house. You have to be creative because this robot is going to help you. What chores won't it do? Well, my robot won't do the dishes. It won't do the dishes. I have to do them. What characteristics will it have? Remember the vocabulary that we learned and try to use it. For example, Wally will be a cutting-edge technology robot. It will have decision-making abilities. I use here 2 of our vocabulary words, cutting-edge and decision-making. It's your turn. Complete in your notebook. Then, when you have decided everything for your robot, you are going to draw the robot. Okay? Now go to your classroom and you're going to find tutorial design a talking robot. You're going to open the Google drawing that is going to be blank like this. This is my example. And what you're going to do here, as you can see, is we're going to draw the robot. First, you're going to add a picture. So you go to this symbol and you put search the web. There, you can put the word colorful background because you want your robot to be very colorful and you can choose whichever you want. I'm going to choose this one. You click on it and there you go. This is going to be the background for my robot. Okay, now I'm going to start creating it. You can start by adding some shapes. Okay, if you want to add a circle, a square, a heart, this is going to be the head. Okay, so I want to color it. I put here a solid color. I'm going to use this one. It's going to be a dark robot. And then, if you want to draw, you click on this shape that is here, the one that says line, and you click on the last one that says scribble. Okay? You click on it, and then you will be able to draw. Look, if you want to change that, you can put, I want this, and I want it to be more white. So, oh look, this is a big neck for my robot. Then I want to add another shape. I want, for example, this one to be the stomach. I want a different color. Okay? And that's how you do it. You can decide to use any of these tools. If you want an arrow, you can put it here, here, and again, you can adjust the length of your arrows. Here. Those are the feet. Now I'm missing the legs. I'm going to scribble again because I want unique legs. Sorry, arms. I want unique arms. This black. So this is my robot, but you can choose whatever you want. These are just some options, okay? These are definitely some options. You can have fun and use as many colors as you want. I'm trying for these to be buttons. And I'm missing a lot of things. You can choose this happy face. And yes, you can adjust. This is a crazy robot that I have. And at the end, I can put here something that my robot is thinking. So look, I'm going to put this. That color, and then a text. My name is Wally. Okay, you can put there the name of your robot. Only to change the letter. This one. Okay, and this is my robot, but your robot can be different and can be as beautiful as you want. Everyone will have a different robot. Remember to upload this on the classroom assignment on this side, okay? You will see here that it says submit. So you submit it, and that is your tutorial. Have fun and be as creative as possible. Bye bye. See you in class.